Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I have a small Pete's grocery haul. Starting with the coat stuff. I'm using my insulated bag to keep it cold. First thing, I like watermelon. So I got this watermelon from Pete's. It was $5.99. And I went there for fish. This is stuck to the tag. So I got the fish. So usually I buy it already sliced so I can slice it myself. It was $1 cheaper if I slice it myself. So this is whole catfish. Okay, I'm in the catfish section and I'm comparing the sliced catfish to the whole unsliced catfish. And you know the unsliced fish is $1 cheaper. So I said, I know how to cut fish. So that's what I wound up getting. So this big old piece of fish I got is, I think it was $7.89 or something like that. Well, whole catfish, yeah. And I'm talking over the music, so I had to mute the sound. So I'm going to keep this muted. You can speed this up and go on to the next clip if you like. But I had to talk over all that music they were playing. And I didn't want to cut this part out because I need to get at least 8 minutes of video footage. Okay. This piece was $7.83. A good price. Haven't had cube steak in a while. I like it since I learned how to cook it and it's tender. Cube steaks. Okay. I'll fix that one day in my slow cooker, probably. And of course I had to get some chicken wings. They're reasonable at Pete's. This whole thing of wings was $7.95. They're small wings. I could have chosen the large wings, but the small ones taste better. Right. That's the cold stuff. And I got some Andy's fish, Cajun fish breading. And I got some Andy's chicken breading, the hot and spicy. And you can use these interchangeably. You can use chicken breading on fish if you want to, and fish breading on chicken. Fish breading just has cornmeal in it. Don't matter. And I saw this slice of cake. Look at that. Caramel cake. I used to make homemade caramel cake with homemade caramel. I ain't talking about boiling no cans or sweetened condensed milk. No. I used to make my caramel from scratch. And it was good. Well, this is good too. Don't taste like mine. This the Angel. Okay, I thought it was the Angelique's or Angelina, whatever her name is. And of course, I'm tired after being out half of the day, so I ain't cooking. Oh, let me show you what else I got from Pete's. Got a meal. I got a half of Greek chicken with potatoes and rice and vegetables. So this was $7.99, and it's still warm, but I'm not gonna eat that today. And then Walter went to, what's the name of that place we went to, Walter?
What?
Where we go get our food?
Oh, Cicero Brothers.
Oh yeah, went to Cicero Brothers, and I'm show you what I got. Well, I'm gonna tell you because I ain't gonna open up this sandwich right now. I ain't washed my hands. We both got an Italian beef. I got mine dipped with plenty of giardiniera hot peppers, and I told him to put some hot pepper juice on my meat. So Walter got his Italian beef with barbecue sauce on it only, and it comes with fries. So I also got some drinks. Got the strawberry half and half iced tea and half lemonade. Got the Arizona fruit punch. I don't know why it's in a purple can, but it's fruit punch. Got the Arizona grape aid. The Arizona orange aid. And the Arizona lemonade. Okay, so now, thanks for watching. And y'all be blessed. Bye. That's the extent of my haul. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay.